Hello, I'm Penelope Dimond and I am a long-time supporter of peace in Kurdistan, and I am very pleased to be able to join my voice to the Freedom for Öcalan rally. It is extraordinary to think of this man being imprisoned for 21 years now in barbaric circumstances and in solitary confinement, which is something I myself cannot begin to imagine. And I know, though, that he is an inspiration, and he gives hope to all Kurds and indeed to all freedom fighters all around the world. And it is absolutely vital that now he is freed, because the movement cannot go forward without him released and there as their figurehead. So it's really important, this rally, and so I am saying freedom for Öcalan now, and we need it now. And last year, 2019, Estella Schmid, one of the founder members of Peace in Kurdistan, commissioned a fantastic book of poetry, which I am going to read from in a minute. And as an actress, and especially working in theatre, I really do believe in the power that creative people can give to political ideas. I mean, poetry has always been used as a political weapon, but theatre as well. It can really change people's ideas, and it can really move things on and make people sit up and say, I'm going to do something, I'm going to go out and demonstrate. And I really learned something. Sometimes you learn a lot more from seeing a performance than you do just from reading endless tracts, even if they are well written and interesting. But I'm biased because I'm in the theatre. Anyway, enough of me. I'm now going to read a couple of poems, which I hope you'll enjoy. This one is by Shihad Hami, and he is a Kurdish Syrian refugee. Abdullah Öcalan. Chained in Imra physically, his ideas smash the prison's walls determinedly. Reading, resisting, reading and resisting patiently. The fascist prison is too fragile to confine his free ideas, for they know no limits. His followers catch his free ideas firmly, with them fighting fascisms empoweringly, singing and dancing on his free ideas passionately. Firmness must not be dogmatism. Free ideas are anti-dogmatism, anti-statism, anti-partyism, anti-ism. Free ideas are for truth, love, free life, power for the peoples. Truth is love. Love is free life. Long live Öcalan! And there's another one which Jihad wrote, which is called Refugee. Naked kings and unmasked gods burnt my home, forced me to cross the sea close to him, taking a refuge towards the ungrateful sun, Europe. For the south, mother, I carried my soul and his free ideas, for they were a torch lighting my path. Hope, resistance, determination, his free ideas taught me. And I'm now just going to be cheeky and read one which I wrote for the book, which is very short. I salute you on your birthday, Abdullah Öcalan. Your commitment and belief, in your isolation, your thoughts at least can fly the flag of freedom. You are the beacon of hope in all Kurdish hearts. You inspire the individual to give of their best, to reach upwards, to fight on, to fight for change, to fight for freedom. Freedom for Abdullah Öcalan. Thank you.